or use social media while the vehicle is in motion, even while at the temporary stop like red light. So, as a drivers na di na to siya kid nga mag-cellphone ta na while nag-drive ta kay munay maka-cause of accident or next, you may only use gadget if they are hand-free or mounted on the dashboard or navigation, and they must be not block the driver's line side. So, kung naman gani sila yung mag-text mo sila or mag-call, like kumukuha sila mo, padaplin sila para hindi sila sagabal sa mga linya sa mga drivers ba. Then next, nalas lang mga penalties. First offense, natin nakita nyo 5,000. Second offense, 10,000.